Hello students, let's begin today's lesson from 5th standard maths. First chapter, number system. Let's continue. So in the fourth main, you have to write these numbers in the expanded form. You have to write this number in the expanded form. So what is the number? 1,23,670. You have to expand this number. You have to write this number in the expanded form. So it's very easy. Just once again, just concentrate here. 1,23,670 is there. So in expanded form, how you have to write 1 lakh? Okay. 1 lakh, because it's 1 lakh, 23,000. So 20,000, then plus 3,000, plus 3,000, then 600, plus 600, next plus 70, plus 6. Now let's go for the second one. So again here, first let us read this number. 1 tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. But this is they have given in the international system, because how you have to find out in the international system or Indian system? From the commas. Here see, after 3 numbers, for the 2 numbers they have put the comma here, and here for the 3 numbers. So if you read this number in the international system, means 1 tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000, after 100,000, million. So 4 million means how you have to write here? 4 million 800. Same as it is, you have to write 4 million means how many zeros you have to write? This. Then 8. Then how many zeros? So let's write here. 4,892,453. How you have to expand here? 4 million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what come next? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 400. Then 50 plus 3. So you just try for these two. Here you have to find in the fifth main, you have to find the place value of the circle digit. Place value of the circle digit. First, you have to find out whether it is in an Indian system or an international system. See here, 3 digits they have given. They have inserted the comma. So it is in the international system. International system. So 1 tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So 7 is in a 100,000 position. Place value. Then here it is in an Indian system. 2 digits. The 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So it's in a lakh position. And here 1 tens, 100,000. 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000. 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000. The circled. 1 tens, 100. Ones. Of course, 1 tens. Here you have to, in the sixth main, you have to insert greater than and smaller than sign. Greater than, smaller than means, now for example, a simple example if I go for it here means, just take one number, any 75 number and 62. So here, which is the greater means, 75 is the greater. So whichever the greater number, you have to write like this. The open side will be in the greater side. Now if I tell 62 and 75, then which is the greater means this is the greater. So obviously you could write like this, because whichever the open side is there, you have to indicate that to the bigger number. You have to show this open side to the bigger number. So here 1 lakh then 100,000. 100,000 is nothing but it is in the international system, but 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh only. 1 stands 100,000, 10,000 lakh. So equal mark will come here. Then 1 million, 1 lakh. Obviously 1 million is the bigger one. Just open this here. Then 200,000, then 3 lakh. 3 lakh is bigger because 200,000 is 2 lakh and 3 lakh, here 3 lakh. So you have to open this to the bigger number. Then here 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Means 60 lakh. Here 6 lakh. So 60 lakh is bigger. Here 34 same. 87 is bigger. Here 73 is there. So 87 we have to consider. So this is the bigger one. Here 7 is there. Here 8. Obviously after seeing only we can make out that this number is the bigger one. Now in the 7th main you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order and in the descending order as they have indicated you. So if you go for the first one, here they have given the number and you have to write it in the ascending order. Now before writing, let us know about once again ascending order and descending order. Ascending means you have to write it from the smaller number to the bigger number. Smaller to the bigger number. Descending is you have to write it from the bigger number to the ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹತ್ತೋದು, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ ತನಕ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತನಕ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ 5, 8, 10 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದೀಸ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ 5, ದೆನ್ 8, ದೆನ್ 10. ಈಗ ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 8 ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಬರೀತೀರಾ. So it is a simple example I have given you. Now let's try here. So just see ascending order. Ascending order ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ರಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡ ತನಕ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So now see 14, 34, 28. Sorry, means this is in the Indian system they are given. 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Means 14 lakh, 34 lakh, 20 lakh, 8 lakh. Ascending smaller to bigger. So 8 lakh is smaller number. Then what comes? 14 lakh second it comes. Then 20 lakh third. Then 34 lakh fourth one. Here what they have given, you have to write in the descending order. Descending means first you have to write a bigger number. Bigger number, just see. All are same equal digits are there. So 84, 82, 86, 84. First before writing you have to count the digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 7 digits number. So 7 digits number means you can go for here. 84, 82, 86, 84. Which is the bigger? 86. Then what comes? 84, 84. Then we have to go look for the second number. 34 is there. Here 32 is there. So 33 is a bigger, so we have to write here second one this. Then 84 third one. Then 82 fourth one. The same way you just try here. Let me try again. Okay, let me try this because it's in the international system. International system in 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So you have to write in the descending order. Descending order means bigger one you have to write. So 126, 126, same is there. Then next 3 will come, here 1 will come. So this is the first one. Next this will come. Then what next? 124, 123 is there. So 124 will come, third, then fourth. Here also you have the same thing you have to do here, ascending order. Ascending means chikkad baribek first. So which is the smaller number here? It's also in the international system. 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So 500,000 first, then same 500,000, 500,000 is there. 717 is 719 is there. So 717 is first, 719 is second, Then 5000, here also 5000 is there, so 700 is there, so this will come third, and 711, this will come in the fourth position.